Ever wondered how your daily cup of ginger tea impacts your health? It's more than just a warm, comforting beverage. Ginger tea is a potent health booster, a wellness elixir hidden in plain sight. Every sip of this powerful infusion is packed with properties that can transform your health in surprising ways. Imagine starting your day with a cup of tea that not only invigorates your senses, but also bolsters your health. That's the power of ginger tea. This isn't just about its spicy, invigorating flavor. It's about the surprising health benefits that are steeped in every cup. From enhancing digestion to boosting immunity, from relieving nausea to reducing inflammation, ginger tea is your everyday ally for a healthier life. In this video, we'll unfold the surprising health benefits of ginger tea, a common household ingredient that doubles as a powerhouse of wellness. So, ready to discover how this humble cup of tea is a powerhouse of health benefits? Stay tuned. First off, ginger tea is an excellent ally for your digestive system. It's like having a personal caretaker for your tummy, always ready to soothe and settle. Ginger tea works by encouraging the production of stomach acid and stimulating digestion. This means it can help your body break down food more efficiently, reducing the risk of indigestion and heartburn. So the next time you're feeling a bit bloated or uncomfortable after a hefty meal, consider reaching for a cup of ginger tea. Moving on to the next benefit, ginger tea is a natural anti-inflammatory potion. It contains compounds called gingerols and shoggles that have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help to fight off inflammation in your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. So, if you're dealing with sore muscles or an achy joint, a warm cup of ginger tea might just do the trick. Next up, we dive into the realm of immunity. Ginger tea is like a shield, protecting your body from invading pathogens. The active compounds in ginger can help to boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to common colds, flu, and other infections. Plus, if you're already feeling a bit under the weather, ginger tea can help to alleviate symptoms and speed up recovery. It's like your body's personal security guard, always on duty. Lastly, let's talk about weight loss. Ginger tea can be a helpful ally on your journey to shed those extra pounds. It works by enhancing thermogenesis, which increases the rate at which your body burns calories. Additionally, it helps to keep hunger pangs at bay, making it easier for you to stick to your diet plan. So, if you're looking to trim down a bit, incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine can give you that extra push you need. And there you have it, the numerous health benefits of ginger tea, all packed into your daily cup. So, why should you consider adding ginger tea to your daily routine? Well, let's take a step back and recap what we've learned. Consuming ginger tea daily is like inviting a powerhouse of wellness into your life. It's not just about sipping a warm, comforting beverage, it's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes health and well-being. This humble cup of tea has a surprising number of health benefits. It aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and even boosts your immune system. Imagine that. Something as simple and enjoyable as a cup of tea can help keep those pesky colds and flus at bay. Moreover, ginger tea can be a great ally in your journey towards maintaining a healthy weight. It stimulates metabolism and can help control cravings. It's not a magic potion, but it's a tool that can support your efforts. Remember, your daily cup of ginger tea is not just a beverage, but a bundle of health benefits. So go on, enjoy your ginger tea and stay healthy.